Hello guys, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. In this video, we are going to see how you can record using goldWave. We have already configured our goldWave and set up as per our preferences. If you did not check out those videos, please check out those videos from our goldWave with Screen Readers playlist. We'll try to keep the playlist link in the pinned comment. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to V.I Tech Academy for more useful tech tutorials with screen readers. After subscribing, press the bell icon and choose all notifications so that you'll never miss any upload from us. If you want to support us, you can join our channel as a member. Our membership starts at 29 rupees only. If you join us as a member, you will enjoy exclusive benefits such as early uploads and member special videos and much more. To learn more about membership, click on the join button. goldWave allows you to record in high quality audio, and if you are using desktop, you can use additional microphone. If you are using laptop, you can use laptop's microphone as your input device. To set, you need to set up the input device and output device, which we already learned in our previous sessions. Now today we are going to discuss how you can record the audio using goldWave. So those who are interested in learning audio editing for free, they should watch this video till the end. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Let me launch goldWave.
goldWave 17 of 22. Control record new button.
So before record, first you need to take the file. Now I'm taking the file. To take the file, press Ctrl plus N.
New sound dialog. Quality and duration grouping. Number of channels. Combo box 2. Stereo collapsed.
So by default mono will be selected. If you are recording your audio, it should be selected as a mono, but I choose always stereo. It will help me always because stereo sounds better than mono. Okay, so I'm pressing tab.
Sampling rate. Combo box
So
collapsed.
sampling rate you can choose from here.
44,100.
Tab.
Initial file length.
Initial file length.
ss.t. Combo box collapsed. Edit selected 1 o'clock.
So 1 o'clock means 1 minute's initial file length I have selected. You can select it and then you can delete also.
Presets grouping. Combo box
Some presets
collapsed.
are there.
Edit length.
Okay, just
Quality and please cancel button. OK
I'll
button.
just click on OK.
Untitled 1. goldWave. Untitled 1.
So my untitled file is now available here. Now I can record up to 1 minute. So let me delete it. So select all.
Select all.
Using Ctrl A and then press delete.
Deleted.
So everything is deleted. Now the file is blank. Next, you need to press some shortcut key to start the recording and stop the recording. I don't know whether I'll be able to record or not, because I'm recording this video using another screen recorder software, and sometimes it may not be possible to use the same microphone for in two applications, but I do not have any other microphone which I can set for goldWave. So let's try. To start recording, press Ctrl F9.
Record.
Hello. Now I'm recording using goldWave. Please subscribe to V.I Tech Academy, those who are watching right now. If you like the video, please press the like button. Thank you. Now to stop the recording, press Ctrl plus F8.
Stop.
Now if you want to listen the audio, press spacebar. Hello. Now I am recording using goldWave. Please subscribe to V.I Tech Academy, those who are watching right now. If you like the video, please press the like button. Thank you. Now to stop the recording, press OK. So this is how you can easily record the audio using goldWave. Okay, now after completion of this recording, press Ctrl S.
Save sound as dialog.
Give a file name. So I'm just giving sample and then save it. To save it, press tab.
Save as type. Combo box wave.
Choose a file type.
WAV.
Choose WAV until you process your recording, like suppose editing, mixing, mastering, etc. So Let me press tab and save it to my projects, to our project.
To add second up address search command tree. Items view list name split. X row 5 column.
So let me just choose some random folders.
This PC row 4 column 110 of document. This P libraries. This PC column 110 of 15. Items view list. File name combo box. Items view list. Tree view level 2 local disk. C expanded. Collect backups and software and backups and projects.
So backups
D,
and projects.
Expanded. 0 level 3 backup collapsed 1 of 1. Computer 1 of 1 level 3.
Suppose here.
Nova Posticle project V. Projects collapsed 1 of project Nova Posticle.
Let's suppose here I'm just
Items
creating
view
one
list, devices and
account.
File name combo items view list devices
account.
and drives grouping expanded
Let's
local
suppose I
disk.
can-
Select local disk C. Backups and projects D. Items to computer 2 of 6.
So here I just create one project called
New folder edit selected.
goldWave.
goldWave. goldWave project 7 of
goldWave
7.
project. So here I am just saving it.
Untitled 1 goldWave sample.wav.
Sample.wav is now saved. So this is how you can easily record using goldWave and NVDA Screen Reader, and your audio will be recorded. You can record till your hard drive will full, so there will be no time limitations. If you already did the proper setup of your recording. To know more about the proper recording setup, please watch our previous video of goldWave. This is for the day, guys. If you find this content useful, please press the like button and share this video with your loved ones. If you have any doubts, comments, queries, feel free to ask into the comment section. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.